Go ahead. You gotta say it loud. What do you want to say? Hurry up before the camera dies. Wave hi. Say hi, Rommel.
Hi, Mama.
What do you want to say? Say I miss you.
I miss you.
Where does Rommel live?
In the house.
Where?
Look.
Where's Rommel?
Huh?
Where's
What's
Rommel?
this?
He lives in... Where does Rommel live?
Miami.
Yes. You gonna blow him a kiss?
Mwah.
You gotta look at the camera and do it. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Say bye, Rommel.
Bye.
I miss you.
I miss you.
See you soon.
See you soon. Look, it's a princess.
You're a princess?
No.
Okay. See, there's your trashed room. And it's yellow now. Let's see if I can get Maddie on here. I don't think it's bright enough. So I'll see if I can get some light in here so you can actually see her a little better. Here's the retard. Stay, Leonidas. Alright. Say hi, Maddie. Say hi, Rommel. I miss you. Yes, you do. Oh, she smiled for you. She doesn't smile for anybody.
Bye.
She's not crying. Alright, say bye.
It's a
Bye, Rommel. See you at Halloween. Okay. And now as if you wanted to see my ugly mug. I miss you too. Bye.